Meron ka bang goals in your life? Make your own. It's really important. Goals are the specific steps and action you take to make your dreams and vision come true. Ito yung nagtuturn ng ideas mo into something real at measurable. Unlike dreams na pure at imaginative lang, goals are clear, practical at may time frame. Ito daw yung kung ano gagawin mo, kailan gagawin at paano malalaman kung successful ka. Kung may goals ka, mas madali kang mag-focus at ma-organize at magkakaroon ka ng direction at motivation para magpatuloy. Goals give you a clear path to follow, allowing you to track your progress and celebrate each achievements along the way. In short, goals are the bridge between dreaming and achieving. Ako, meron na akong goals at nakasulat pa to ito sa maliit kong notebook simula 15 years ago. And years goes by, I see na unti-unti kong na-achieve yung iba. Pero yung iba, yung direction ang ginawa sa akin. Goals are the small, specific actions na makakatulong para masukat mo ang progress mo.